Yo, welcome everybody. We got another tutorial for you. I'm going to teach you how to bridge your Ethereum to Hyperliquid using Hybridge.xyz. So the first thing you want to do is click connect, click on MetaMask, click connect. Next thing you want to do is just go to your MetaMask and then just make sure it's on the Ethereum network, right? Alright, bet. So now we're going to put the amount that we want to buy. I'm going to buy one hype just for you guys. So I just bought a hype token. I'm gonna buy another one real quick just for you. I had to test it out. I had to test out the bridge. Sometimes there's a little glitches with the bridge. So the receiving address, I'm gonna click mine, right? So it's gonna send to my MetaMask wallet. And also you could bridge like Optimism, BNB Base, Arbitrum, Avalanche, and Solana. But I'm just using Ethereum as an example. And just click bridge, right? Confirm. You're gonna get a little transaction fee, right? Let's click confirm. Right, close out, and we're gonna do this live, real time, right in your face. Just watch it happen, right? Just watch it all happen. Let's do the next part. So go into your MetaMask and copy your wallet address, and then just wait. Let's just wait it out. Alright, so while that's doing what it do, we're gonna go to HypurrScan.io and boom, paste our wallet address, and as you can see, we now have our hype token, which is perfect, very perfect. So you can't see the Hyperliquid token in your MetaMask, but you can see it on chain. Everything's fully on chain. So, you know, you could definitely interact with the Hyperliquid.xyz website. Just make sure you have your VPN on, especially when you're doing the swap. Just make sure you got your VPN on. I'll paste the VPN link in the description so you guys could hop on the VPN I'm using. I'm using CyberGhost. I've been using this VPN for about 3 years now, and it's really good. You could also get like a private IP address, all types of stuff on there. So definitely check that out. But shout outs to Hybridge.xyz, and let's keep it going, y'all.